Hey, I was sent this Hurran kitchen faucet. I'm gonna check it out and give you my thoughts. Let's open up this box. This is nice and neatly packaged. So this is a black kitchen faucet. This comes with water lines already pre-attached. Here's your weight, and then it does come with a base plate. Installation is simple. You're gonna lay down your base plate. Then you're going to feed your water lines through the hole. Underneath, you're going to put on the gasket and screw on the nut. Tighten up your set screws, and then you're going to put the weight on. Tighten up your water lines, and then you are good to go. It's easy to switch between hot and cold with the lever on the front. The sprayer has 3 functions. There's a stream, a spray, and then like a high pressure rinse. I really like this high pressure option. It's going to help me clean dishes, and a lot of other faucets don't have this. It's very simple to turn on and off, and I really like that the sprayer goes up and down smooth. The swivel function also allows you to adjust your sprayer to almost anywhere in your sink. I think this faucet has a nice modern sleek looking design. It was very easy to install, and it's very easy to use.